Hi everyone, this is Rakesh, Rana, growthpreneur mentor on a mission to transform 25 million lives to rise above in wealth, influence and growth. This is how we are being taught to actually introduce yourself and differentiate from the market as a proud passionpreneur. And I'm being very proud passionpreneur for the last 3 years or so, associated with Dev from the beginning, and that journey has been fascinating. Now, as we come to an end of a PPMM, there has always been questions. Some of them are successful, some of them are not. And we always have the question what to do next. And that's when this whole aspect of the inner circle comes into play. And I'm very much proud that for the last 2 years or so, I've been associated with Dev for inner circle as well. And this association has given a lot of insights into the what we call as a business with the intangible result to start with. Because when we are going in the market, there will be a lot of challenges, ups and downs, topsy-turvy ride that you will be going through. However, entire ride can be smoothened by only two means. Number one, you have to learn from a person who has been there, done there, failed at it, and maybe succeeded at it as well. And the second, you need to have people around you as a community to push you forward, to actually say, yes, it is okay to fail. Yes, it is okay to actually not have the success overnight, and so on. And that's what precisely the inner circle offers. First and foremost, definitely the guidance directly from the Dev, although I was lucky to have the guidance from the day one. But inner circle takes the game to the next level as I grow into my growthpreneur journey as a new scaling of the business with 1700 plus professional working under me now as my community. So the business challenges are different, the dynamics are different, scaling is different. And I'm being very proud that I was a part of this inner circle, where at every inner circle meeting, we get some of the other insights. Some of us, we feel that we know it all. Unfortunately, there are a lot of aspects of the business that we may not know. And the reason is because we still come from the mindset of making money rather than making a lot of impact in the world. Now, making money is the primary scorecard that you need to flash in front of people, but this is where you need to understand that how can you solve from the minute to the biggest of your challenge in the inner circle. And that's what Dev precisely does in his inner circle, right from probably talking about the tactical aspect to the strategic aspect to the building the community to maybe the marketing strategy to the copywriting secrets and so on. So we have learned almost everything that we can think about in the business, and the learning journey shouldn't stop here. And that's what I believe in, and I've been continuing to learn and upskill myself so that I can continue to sustain the business and scale the business to the level that my vision lies. Okay, so hope all of you have had a great journey in the PPMM, and all of you are as graduating in the ceremony. I couldn't be there, but I wish all of you a great success, a lot of money and a lot of impact in the world to be a proud passionpreneur, and look forward to see you guys in the inner circle. Thank you and God bless.